Welcome to my channel, my name is Little Boy, and today I'm gonna share with you how to split screen on Final Cut Pro. After years on YouTube watching long Final Cut Pro tutorials, I wish that someone had made a channel like this so I could learn from quality content that was straight to the point. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and watch this video until the end so you can learn as much as you can. My goal is to give you the tools to bring your editing skills to the next level. First thing that you're gonna do is put one on top of each other, and then you're gonna double click and you're gonna select crop. This way you're gonna be able to manipulate and cut the video that you want. Make sure that you select the area and press shift, so you're gonna be able to move more precise, up and down, side to side, whatever you want. Just to be more precise, I'm gonna go on view and I'm gonna press show horizon. I'm just gonna adjust and adapt the frame in the position that I want, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the second clip, the one that's on the bottom. And if you want to give a black space in between them, you can add an image on top of your videos, or you can go to crop and manipulate in a way that you can leave a black space, like a little gap in between the videos. You're done. You can do 2, 4, 6, 8. Just be creative and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching this video, but this is just a little part of editing. If you want to bring your editing skills to the next level, I have a playlist full of Final Cut Pro tutorials just for you. Consider subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you know every single time that I post a new tutorial. Follow me on social media, and I'll see you in the next video.